My name is Dan Nelson. I'm a partner at Armstrong Teasdale.
And I'm Chris LaRose, also a partner at Armstrong Teasdale. The purpose of the piece was always to sort of be a how-to guide for small business owners, small family businesses, closely held businesses, and their lawyers to identify the potential pitfalls that come with those sorts of businesses. And what we've found, I think, in our pieces of litigation and cases that we've dealt with in the past is that a lot of times, because there's a familiarity between the owners of these companies, they often don't engage in sort of the corporate formalities that a bigger business would engage in, and they trust each other because they know each other. The cases are very interesting. They're very emotional cases for the litigants, and I think Dan and I have both had very contentious, interesting cases in the arena, and thought that it would be a useful tool for folks in Missouri that own these companies, as well as other attorneys in Missouri dealing with these issues.
It also brings together some very disparate parts of the law. You have everything from sort of fiduciary duty, which has trust overtones, to corporate governance and things like that. So no two cases are ever quite the same, but there's always some interesting challenges. And despite the fact that business dissolution has been going on for quite a long period of time, the law is still really very much developing in this area.
I think it's important, part of the things I really love about being in a large law firm is the ability to kind of share and collaborate with my neighbors and with others in the firm that have different areas of expertise, and I think that's part of that, right? This is a collaboration not only with folks at Armstrong Teasdale, but with lawyers across the state. In fact, I think a week or two after I got a call, after the article was published, I received a call from an outstate attorney in rural Missouri wanting to just bounce some ideas off of us based on what he had read in the article about a situation he was facing, and I thought that was really neat. And we talked for about a half hour, 45 minutes. So, it's that spirit of collaboration that I think a lot of lawyers in Missouri share with us, and that was the reason I think that we wanted to do it. So,
and I think giving something back, because I know we've learned a lot from each other. We've learned a lot from others at Armstrong, but we've also learned a lot from other lawyers in the community, sometimes on the opposite side of the case from us, and you can learn some valuable, occasionally painful lessons from them as well. And we wouldn't be where we are without that help, and being able to provide some assistance to others, hopefully, and some guidance to others is a way of giving back.